In this video, we're going to be talking about what is MEV Protection on Axiom Pro. Now, to actually be able to start using MEV Protection, you're going to need an Axiom account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. Link down below. You will not regret it. It's packed with a lot of different premium features, completely free of charge, and I use it pretty much every day. So that's pretty much that. And when it comes to MEV Protection, let's now explain what that is. So MEV Protection, you've likely heard about that. Basically, this refers to the profit that block producers, like miners or validators, can extract from a blockchain by selectively including, excluding, or reordering transactions within a block. And this is basically interconnected with MEV bots, which are basically automated programs that scan the network for profitable opportunities, such as executing a sandwich attack. Okay, now sandwich attacks basically involve a bot detecting a large order and then they place their own buy order before it basically makes it and basically sells or basically takes the profit from the price movement. Okay, now basically MEV Protection on Axiom Pro, which is available on here in the platform, will safeguard the user transactions from these maximum or maximal extractable value, or also known as MEV attacks, such as sandwich attacks, by preventing bots from exploiting transactions order to profit at the user's expense. Now, this protection will ensure fair trades and a more secure trading experience by preventing MEV bots from front running, back running, or sandwiching transactions to manipulate prices and extract value. Now, let me actually show you how to do this on Axiom. So what you want to do is you want to go down here at the bottom left where you can see your presets, and in here you can select your MEV mode. Now you can have it on off, reduced, or secure. Over here you can go, if you go to off, it says it sends trades as fast as possible to all Solana validators. Reduced will avoid sending transactions to blacklisted validators to reduce chances of MEV attacks. And then the secure, which is still in beta, mind you, will only send transactions to whitelisted validators. And this can be slow, so of course there's some downside to that as well. Now that's pretty much it. That's what MEV Protection is and what a MEV mode does in Axiom. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.